Hello, and once again, welcome to Rideona Designs. My host Riley Kokwemba, and in this series, we're going to tackle the clamp. So we're going to model the clamp. First of all, let's save our progress so far, and select one side of the boss. Start a sketch on it, and then while it's being highlighted, let's use convert entities. Then let's go to the line tool, select the center line, draw vertical line, and then we're going to dimension it. So let's dimension it from this edge to this edge. Give it 20 millimeters. And then we're going to use this line to mirror all these features to this side. So let's go to the mirror entities and then select this center line that we just created, and the faces to mirror, entities to mirror rather, let's select this region and then click OK. However, we're going to modify these features on this side that we just mirrored. So let's have a straight line, a horizontal line. When you hover around here, you're going to get a line at the top here. So let's just have a line from there to this line. And then we're going to select this side and then click for construction. Then let's go to features to be mirrored. Select the boss extrude, and then for the selected contours, we're going to select this region, the top region. And then for the direction, we're going to change it, and then we're going to say up to face or up to surface. Then we're going to select this other side and then click on OK. So now we are sure that our cell phone is going to be horizontal on this side when it's going to be clamped. So we finish our first phase of the clamp. The other part of the clamp that remains is now, so remember this side of the clamp is going to be sliding, and this groove actually is the one that's going to be sliding against. So we need to create a feature that's going to help it to slide in this groove. So in order for us to do that, let's go the front, rather the back of the clamp, click on it, and then let's start a sketch. So in order for us to do this sketch, there are several ways we can go about it, but we can use existing geometry. In order for us to do that, we're going to use this the small box, or rather the small rectangle that we drew earlier in our first sketch, the first video. And then we're going to use offset entities and check. We're going to use offset entities. So first of all, click anywhere in space so that you remove the selection at the back face, and then select offset entities, and then be sure to click on select chain, and then we're going to change our offset to 0.2 millimeters. And then we're going to hold on to that. So just change it to 0.2 millimeters. And then reverse, because you want it on the inside. So there needs to be some clearance between the two sliding parts in order for it to slide, otherwise they won't fit. So in my case, I've just chosen 0.2 millimeters, and then we're going to click OK. So we're going to extrude this feature up to the front side of the clamp and beyond. So we're actually going to give it two directions of extrude. So let's go to the extruded boss. So on this side, this direction 1, we're going to give it, say, 20 millimeters. And then we're going to check direction 2. And this direction 2, we're going to click up to face, the command that we used in the earlier video, and then we're going to select this front face also. And then click OK. And with that, I've just noticed something that I forgot to take care of. So we can see we have one solid body, which should not be the case. So we need to have two bodies, so this one and then the one that's sliding, in order for us to slide it against this groove. So we're going to revisit where we modeled the boss extrude, and then we're going to edit this feature. And the thing is, when we modeled it, when we created this feature, the boss extrude, it was on merge, so it merged with the first body. So we're going to uncheck that and then click OK. Now we have three bodies. So we need this body to be part of this body, the sliding part to be part of the clamp. So let's go and take care of that. Edit the last feature that we just made, and then we're going to say it's going to merge, but we're going to clear this, and then we're going to select the clamp. Click OK. So right now we have two bodies, and if we scroll down, we're going to see we have the clamp and the threaded body, the base. Okay, so I think that's enough for this video. Join me in the next video as we're going to complete the design of we're going to complete the design of the clamp and start on the thread. So join me in the next video as we're going to complete the design of the clamp and then start on the knob. Remember to like and subscribe, and join me in the next video. Cheers.